Hi everyone. Today I want to share a small project I recently built. It's a football app based on Google Apps script called Leaderboard Streak Crown. And I want to make one thing clear right away: this is not betting, not a bookmaker, and not a totalizator. You can't place real money or win anything with it. It's simply a game for fun. You pick a match, make a prediction: who will win, the home team, the away team, or will it be a draw? And if you guess correctly, your streak keeps growing. The goal is to build the longest possible streak of correct predictions in a row. There's also a separate challenge, a crown for whoever is the first to reach a streak of 10 wins in a row, and the only way to take it from them is to beat that record. It's still a beta version. I'm testing it with a small group of friends, and I want to bring you into that as well. The idea, of course, isn't new, but it became interesting to build it myself and get people involved in testing it. I'm curious how this game will hold up with more people, whether everything will work the way it should, whether things might fall apart, or whether all the algorithms will run correctly. That's exactly what I want to find out. Who knows, maybe it'll all work out, and someone out there will actually enjoy it. One important thing: when you open the app for the first time, Google will ask you to grant permission to access your data. That's normal and expected. That's just how any app built on Google Apps script works. You might see a label that says, "Unverified." Don't worry about it. That's simply because this is a small hobby project that hasn't gone through Google's official verification process, which is required for large commercial products. Just click Review Permissions, confirm your account, and allow access. After that, the app will open as usual. Now, briefly, here's how it works. You open the Matches tab, where you'll find a list of matches for the next 3 days: today, tomorrow, and the day after. You pick a match, tap Make Prediction, and choose one of 3 options: a home win, a draw, or an away win. You confirm, and that's it, your prediction is placed. As long as the match hasn't started yet, you can freely change your pick or cancel it with no consequences. But once the match has started, you can no longer change your prediction, though you can still cancel it, meaning give up early. In that case, though, your streak resets to 0, so only do that if you're really sure. One important point: you can only have one active prediction at a time. As long as your current prediction hasn't been resolved, meaning the match hasn't been played yet, you won't be able to place a prediction on another match. The button will simply be disabled. So you'll need to wait for the result of your match first, or cancel it early, and only then can you pick the next one. Your prediction is checked against the regular time score. That's the 90 minutes of play. Extra time and penalty shootouts are not taken into account. For example, if the match ended in a draw after regular time, and someone then won in extra time, it still counts as a draw for the game. You can find all of this explained in more detail right inside the app, on the Rules tab, with all the nuances, examples, and explanations. On the Rankings tab, you can see all the players sorted by their current streak, and if it's tied, by their all-time record. Click on any player to see the detailed history of their streaks. And to quickly check your own stats, just click the colored badge with the first letter of your name in the top right corner of the screen. By the way, here's an interesting detail: while an opponent's match hasn't started yet, their prediction for that match is hidden from everyone else. You can only see what they picked once the match has actually started, so there's no way to peek ahead of time. And if one of your opponents currently has a live match in progress, it's marked with a small orange dot. Next, there's a separate Crown tab. It keeps a history of who won that same crown I mentioned at the start of the video, and when. Just a quick reminder: to be in the running for it, you need to reach a streak of at least 10 wins in a row. The first person to get there wins the crown. It then appears in place of their usual colored avatar everywhere in the app. But it doesn't stay forever. To take the crown away, the next challenger has to beat that record by at least 1 point. So the real competition only begins after the first 10 wins in a row. More details about the crown, again, can be found on the Rules tab. Now, let's talk about coins. As you may have already noticed, up in the top right corner, right next to your avatar, there's a small coin indicator. Let me explain what it is and what it's for. For every correct prediction, you earn 5 coins. Your balance is always visible in the app's header. So what are they for? If your streak breaks due to a regular wrong prediction, not a forfeit, and not an expired deadline, it doesn't disappear right away. You're given a choice: start a new streak from zero, or revive the old one using coins. When you revive it, the losing match basically gets erased, and your streak continues from exactly where it left off. But you can only do this once per streak, and the longer your streak, the more expensive the revival gets. One more important point: you can revive a streak only up to 9 wins. If you've reached 10 or more, revival is no longer available. There's another way to earn coins: inviting a friend. In Settings, under the gear icon, you'll find your personal invite link. If you share it and someone registers using that link, you'll get 20 coins. And whoever you invited won't be left without a bonus either, they'll get 10 coins right at the start. That's the short version of everything I wanted to share. I want to stress again, this is just a trial version, and it really needs to be tested in real conditions, with real people. So if you notice any bug, glitch, or inconsistency, don't stay quiet, leave feedback. There's a dedicated feedback button in the menu for exactly that, where you can briefly describe the issue, and it'll come straight to me. Good luck to everyone, and may your streak be the longest.